Hey everybody, on this tour I'm going to be showing you Ralph McAllister Park. It's just a small boat ramp on the north end of Sam Rayburn Lake. It doesn't have much there, but I'm going to show you what is there. Alright, let's do it. Okay everybody, this is Ralph McAllister Park. Going to be coming in from 103. This is another free to launch boat ramp. Right here on Sam Rayburn Lake. It's a little bit of a drive down here once you turn off of 103. It's kind of a small boat ramp, small parking lot. Okay, it has 4 lanes, I'm sorry, but it looks like it is no good for low water launching. Right now the water is probably 4 to 5 feet shallow. Unless you have a kayak like I usually do, it's probably not the best place in the world to launch from when the lake level is low. Okay, so that is the boat ramp. There's not much here at Ralph McAllister Park, just a small parking lot with a 4-lane boat ramp. There's no camping, there's no restrooms, it's just a little boat ramp. Alright, that is it for Ralph McAllister Park. Okay everybody, if you'd like to see more of my videos, or if you'd like to see more videos of me touring boat ramps on Sam Rayburn Lake, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and y'all have a great day.